Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I was going on a short ride to Kurudumale Ganesha Temple, and I thought of recording it. From there, I will be going to another two places, which are Konkuntlu and Kaivar. Right now, I'm standing on Hebal flyover, and the time is now 7:23, and I guess it will take around one and a half hour for me to reach Kurudumale, which is around 91 kilometers. So yeah, please do watch it. Let's go. So I have almost reached the temple. It's just 2 kilometers. So the time is 8:53, and I have reached the temple. It's very beautiful. So let's go in. I will try to show the temple as much as I can. As you guys can see, it's a very beautiful temple. Beautiful location as well. The idol here is about 13 to 14 foot in height. Yeah, a very beautiful temple. I guess you can visit here in any of your weekends, or usually it will be rush during Saturdays and Sundays is what I heard, but I don't see much rush today. Today is Friday. Yeah, so from here there is one more temple, which is Someshwara temple. So right now I'm in Someshwar temple. As you can see, it's very ancient and a very beautiful temple. It is just 300 to 400 meters from the Ganesha temple. I'll just try to zoom in. Now that's the Ganesha temple, and it's just 300 meters from there. And from here I will be going to Konkuntlu. I guess it's around 60 kilometers from here again. So before going to Konkuntlu, I thought of coming here and having breakfast. There's a quite famous hotel in Mulbagal. As you can see that The dosa looks beautiful. I'm yet to taste this. I'm sure it will taste wonderful. So yeah, let me have a taste of it. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. The taste is amazing. I must say, if you guys come to Mulbagal for any reason, you guys must try this masala dosa. I don't know how this happened, but it's bad. I hope everyone's fine. Lakshmi Narasimha Swami Temple, Konkuntlu, is just 1 kilometers from here. I just stopped to drink some water because it is very hot. It's very, very hot. I guess I came here at the wrong time. Maybe I should have come here early or late in the evening. But it's a very beautiful place. From Kudumale, it's around 71 kilometers. So yeah. So this is the temple. Let's go in. It's a very ancient temple as well. This is my second time coming here. Last time I'd come here around evening, around 4:30, 5 o'clock, and there's a Hanuman temple over there. So this is the main temple, and there's a Hanuman temple as well, and you have steps to reach the temple. Last time when I had come, I had been till there at the top, and the view from there is actually very beautiful. But I'm not gonna go there now because it's very hot. So I just reached Tataya Cave. It is 1 kilometers from Kaivara town. It's again a pretty old temple. Again, it's very hot here as well. It's very beautiful. Last time, again, I'd come here in the evening. Again, last time when I'd come, it was a weekend and there is a lot of rush here. But there's absolutely no one today. Maybe it's afternoon. So this temple is called as Yogi Narayana Matha, and it is in Kaivara. Again, it's a very beautiful place. time is 3:09. Bangalore from Kaivar is around 75 kilometers. I guess 60 to 90 minutes from here. So I was actually going towards Bangalore. I thought I'll eat something in Bangalore, but I saw this Nandi Grand Hotel